see how to make Baingan ka Bharta. So basically, Baingan ka Bharta is fried Baingan smashed, cooked with spices. Without wasting any further time, let's begin. The ingredient required to make Baingan ka Bharta is 5 Baingan, 1 cup dahi, 2 onions, 4 chilies, 2 tablespoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon haldi, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon jeera and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Take little oil in your hand and apply on the brinjal one by one nicely so that it gets fried, cooked properly. Switch on both the gases and keep the brinjal over it. Keep it for nearly 5 minutes and turn it once it's cooked. Once one side is cooked, turn the gas slow and turn the brinjal to another side. And keep the gas on high fire and then wait for another 5 minutes. So once you see that the brinjal is peeled off, make the gas slow and move it out into a plate. And close the gas. So as you can see that I have cooked the brinjal already. Keep the brinjal aside to cool it down. Let the brinjal cool down. Once the brinjal is cooled down, peel the brinjal one by one slowly. The same way, peel all the brinjals nicely. Once the brinjal is peeled, smash it with your hands nicely. Once the brinjal is smashed, keep it aside. Heat a pan with 4 spoon oil in it. Once the pan is hot, add the jeera, chili and the onion. And mix it until it gets brown. Once the onions are fried nicely, add all these masalas into it. And stir it nicely. And now let it get cooked until the oil gets separated. Once the masala is fried nicely, add the 1 cup ghee. and mix it well. Let it get cooked until the oil gets separated from the masala. Once the masala is leaving its oil, add the brinjal in it. And mix it nicely. Once the masala and the brinjal is cooked, add 1 spoon salt in it. Once the brinjal is cooked, garnish it with kothmeer.